In this lecture of graph theory, we are going to discuss chromatic number of a graph. Outcome of the session is a student will be able to understand, implement, apply or design the chromatic number of a graph in problems. Prerequisite for the you should be aware about the digital technology. So the chromatic number is the minimum number of color required to color the graph. Minimum number of color to color the graph is called chromatic number of a graph G. Suppose that I have draw one graph A to B. So this is a graph. So how many minimum number of color required to color this graph? Suppose that we are writing here green or blue. A is blue, then B cannot be blue. You can give any other color except blue. So suppose I am giving green. So the chromatic number of the graph equal to 2. Suppose that we have some more graph, that is A, B and C, and C to B is not connected. Then the chromatic number will be blue, green, and we can give green here, no problem. So the chromatic number will be again 2. So this is a graph. Try to find the chromatic number for the graph with yourself. This is also a graph and finding the chromatic number of these graphs. So how to find the chromatic number? See here. To find the chromatic number of a graph, suppose that for this graph it is written 1, here 1 is written, and next it is writing 2. Again you can't write 2 here, so it is writing 3. So in this way you have to arrange all these things to find the chromatic number of a graph. On the same way, suppose that for this graph it is given that I am writing here 1, then you can't write 1 here, so I am writing 2 here. You can write 1, again you can write 2, again you can write 1, no, 2, no, so you have to write 3. So the chromatic number for this graph will be 3. So here same graph has done coloring by using different color to find the chromatic number. So the chromatic number is 3. Suppose that we want to find the chromatic number for the cycle graph. So what is cycle graph? Cycle graph, suppose that for a node 3, suppose that n equal to 3, then the cycle graph will be like this. N equal to 4, then the cycle graph will be like this. On the same way, n equal to 5, then the cycle graph will be like this. So this is cycle graph for 5 node and so on. So for cycle graph for node 3, the chromatic number will be 3. Why? 1, 2, 1, 2 नहीं हो सकता, then write 3. Suppose that here red, green, blue. So the chromatic number for this graph equal to 3. Chromatic number for the cycle graph with 4 node equal to 2. Why? Suppose 1, then 1, no problem. 2, 1, no, 2. So suppose that here red, then can we put here red? No, so put green. Again put here red, no problem. Again put here green. So chromatic number for this graph equal to 2. Again finding the chromatic number for this graph is 3. Again chromatic number for this graph is 6. So what you understand, if the number of cycle, if n is odd and if n is even. So if n is odd, O-double-D odd, then the chromatic number for a cycle graph will be 3, and it is even, then the chromatic number for the cycle graph will be 2. So what is odd even? Number of nodes. If the number of node is odd, suppose that here 3, here 3, so it is 3. Here 5 odd, so it is 3. Here 2, here 6, then chromatic number will be 2. So in this way you can find. So what will be chromatic number for a cycle graph with number of node is 5000. So you find that 5000 is odd or even, and you can do. On the same way, chromatic number for a complete graph. So complete graph Kn. So what is complete graph? Every edge there is a path from every vertex to every vertex, direct path. So the chromatic number for the complete graph with 4 nodes, this is called K4. So the chromatic number is 4. This is called K5. So the chromatic number for K5 is 5. Suppose that Kn, then the chromatic number will be n. Suppose that a graph which have number of vertex is 100. So complete graph with vertex number of node equal to 100. Then the chromatic number will be, then the chromatic number for the K of 100 equal to 100. How? Because the chromatic number for n vertex is n. So in this way we are writing chromatic number for a graph with 100 vertex is 100. Chromatic number for the bipartite graph. So what is bipartite graph? It is already discussed in some other class. So in this way nodes are partitioned in two parts and that node are connected to the other side node. It consists two set of vertex x and y. This is set x and this is set y. The edges only join vertices of s to vertices of y. x का जो vertex है वो केवल y के vertex से ही join कर सकता है, x का x से नहीं कर सकता है. Not vertices within the set. Then it is called bipartite graph. So this is a example of a bipartite graph. Then the chromatic number for the bipartite graph is 2. Chromatic number for the tree. So for the tree chromatic number will be 2. This is green and this is red. So no problem. So chromatic number is 2. Again 2. So the chromatic number for a tree is 2. So there is some assignment based on the previous lecture and this lecture. So you try to do in your copy. So find the chromatic number of complete graph with K101, K100 means node of 100 vertex. Analyze the chromatic number of K5, complete graph with 5 node. So you have to draw and then find. And for K101 you have to just write the answer. Draw the wheel graph of 5 vertex and find chromatic number. So you have to draw the wheel graph. So what is wheel graph? So wheel graph is, it is a cycle graph and one more node in the middle and it is connected, so it is called wheel graph. So you have to find the chromatic number. Find the chromatic number of a cycle graph with 20 nodes, 2020 nodes, a cycle graph with 2020 nodes. Then you have to find the chromatic number. If you have any doubt you can ask. Thank you. Join this channel to get updated video and click on the bell icon to get the updated video. Thank you.